Hello students, good morning. Today we'll discuss about chapter 4. Lesson is force and pressure. Okay? So today we'll discuss about the force and pressure. Understand? In previous classes, okay, in class 7 also all you have to learn, okay, about the about the force and pressure. Understand? In chapter motion or okay, force. Understand? So all of you know that force. You know about na force? What is force? You know about na? In everyday life, we see different phenomenon occur in our everyday life. Just like you have to know about the interaction between the two particles or objects. Yeah, also we can say that what push or pull. Okay, push or pull of an object or particle. Okay, when you push or pull of an object or particle, then what happen? Interaction between occur. Interaction occurs na. Interaction occur between two objects or particle. Understand? There's two objects or particle. Okay, after striking to each other, that means क्या interaction. Interaction occur ना. Understand? So interaction occurs, then what happens? That is force is exerted. है ना? Force exerted. Okay, one body to another body, by one body to another. Understand? That means क्या है? This is a force. या push. You know about ना कि push or pull of an object or particle. Understand? Push or pull of an object or particle. That is also we can say that force. Understand? You know about na force. Understand? Now we discuss about the pressure. You know about pressure? Okay. So pressure also we can say that what? Ki pressure is also a type of force. What we say? Ki pressure is also a type of force. Understand? How can we define it? So we can define ki it is the force applied perpendicular to the surface of an object. Okay. Perpendicular. You know about na? How can I define it? It is a force. Suppose that this is an object or particle. Understand? This is an object or particle. Suppose that. Understand? So how can you define it? It is a force. Okay. Applied perpendicular. Understand? Applied perpendicular to the surface. है ना? A perpendicular surface of an object. Okay. In per unit area. This is the area. Also we can say that. Okay. Perpendicular force. Understand? Applied per unit area of an object. That is known as what? Pressure. That is P. Understand? Okay. When a force applied perpendicular of an object, okay, in per unit area. Per unit area, you know about na? Area का प्रत्येक unit में. So that is known as what? Pressure. Understand? Just like you see, okay, you will see in everyday life. Just like you have to pressure of anything. Just like you have to press in any objects or particle. Just like rubber. Yeah, spring. You have to jump na, press the spring. Then what happen? Its force is exerted perpendicular. Okay, force exerted in perpendicular of an object or particle. You know about na? So that is known as what? Pressure. Okay, in per unit area. And also we can say that you have to press the button of keyboard. Okay, of the computer. Okay, that is also we can say that क्या कि pressure is occurs in there. That is force. Also you can say that what? कि pressure is a type of force. Understand? It is denoted by P. You know about na? And it is expressed in ATM also. ATM means you know about atmospheric pressure. What is your atmospheric pressure? 780 bar है ना? Also it's है ना? SI unit is bar. Okay, या Newton per meter square. SI unit is what? Newton per meter square. Newton you know about na? SI unit of force is Newton. Okay, and meter square you know about na? Area. Okay, Newton meter square. Understand? And also we can write, okay, we can write P equal to what? You know what? P equal to F by A. P equal to F by A. F means क्या? Force. Okay, A means area. The force exerted in per unit area, that is known as pressure. Understand? And you know about na? What is the SI unit of force? Newton. And area? Meter square. So its SI unit is also what? Newton per meter square. So its SI unit is Newton per meter square. Okay, no problem. Let's see in the chapter. Okay, what is given there. So all this given that you know about कि motion is an integral part of life. You know about now all these things. Understand? We have talked about the direction of object moving along a straight line. Suppose that any object or particle move in a straight line. Understand? So moving in a straight line, so such motion can be what? What do you say that? If an object or particle moves in a straight line, so that means क्या, uniform or non-uniform in nature. You know about ना, uniform or non-uniform? Uniform means what? If an object or particle, okay, travels equal distance in a straight line. If an object or particle travels equal distance, okay, in equal interval of time. Equal distance in equal interval of time, that is known as uniform motion. But non-uniform, you know what now? So when an object or particles, okay, move in a straight line, okay, in unequal distance, okay, in equal interval of time. Understand? That is known as non-uniform. Non-uniform means क्या, कि unequal distance, it covers unequal distance, okay, but equal interval of time, that is known as non-uniform. So you also have to learn in previous class, okay, you have learned all these things, uniform and non-uniform, okay, understand? You also have to, okay, we will study about in next chapter या next classes, understand, next class. To not take look causes of motion, you know about what is, why do motion, one thing is given there, why motion is occur in a straight line. So you know about na, this is force, due to the force, okay, due to the force, you know about na, due to the force motion is occurs when we exert a force, okay, when we applied a force in any object or particle, then it's move in a straight line. Understand? So this is also a speed, the object change with time. Also we can say that when we, okay, applied a force, then it's क्या, there's objects or particle what changes their place, displace their place. Understand? With respect to time. That is what? You know what na? So why this occur? Due to the force. So all we know that object at rest, you know about na, many objects are at rest. Rest means you know about na, that's stable. They can't change any direction. Okay, the situation is only rest. Okay, when we applied a force, exerted a force, then after its what? Displace its place. Okay, change their places. Understand? So in this way also we can say that make it move from our everyday, if you know about life, what we have to push or pull, just a table, chair or almirah, you have to open an almirah, you push the table, chair, then kya, when we exerted a force in that object or particle, okay, of an what, chair or almirah, then what, it changes their kya situation, changes their position in a room, you know about na, changes their position or room. Okay, so why this occur? All these exerting a force, if an object or particle displaces their place, understand, displace their place, then what means? It means that when we applied a force, if it means what, we have to apply a force, okay, if an object or particle changes their place, changes their situation, okay, understand? So also we can say that what, we can again say that what, we are exerting a force on it. So we therefore say that what, we exert a force when we push, pull, या kick off, lift a given objects. Then what objects? All these are related with force. Okay. So in this situation, some kind of external agency. You know about external agency means external force. Very often muscular effort. Also we know about na. So involved at its effect, we notice, felt quite easily. You know about all these things. So it follows that we need an external what, force to move a body from rest, okay, or stop a moving body. Suppose that if any body or particle, okay, in a motion, so when we force is applied, okay, against the motion of a body, then what happen? It will what, stop. That particular object will क्या, stop, रुक जाएगी, होगी कि नहीं stop, when we applied a force against the motion of a body. Understand? Against the direction of its motion, okay, then it's क्या, it will stop. You know about na? So we can say that what, force is a push or pull which comes into what, play with, and there is an interaction of an object with another object. When one object, okay, contact to another object, that is interaction, striking to each other, okay, then force is what, exerted, applied. Okay, there's many example you have to, okay, you can see. Okay, when we wish to change the position of a study table in our room, we have to push it. You know about the push or pull, that means क्या, force. Okay, no problem. So there is a to be interaction between, okay, us, between the study table. You know about the interaction occurs, okay, when we push or pull of the objects. Yes, suppose that book, okay, on lay on the table. So what happen? We have to what, what happened? This is the table, books is carry there. Then we have what? Exerted force na. Then it's books is what? Books are moving here and there. Okay, left, right, yeah. Okay, forward and backward. So why this happen? Due to the when we force applied. Okay, when we force exerted on the book. Understand? Then it's move left, right, or forward or backward. Understand? So in this way, there is a activity given. Okay, the given below are some situation involving different objects. Try to identify the actions involved. You can afford be called force. You know about na? Okay, is there any interaction between the two concerned objects? Is there any interaction? To write their action. Okay, here is the column. You know about na? Fill in this. Fill all these columns. Action. What action is given? Effort leads to force. Okay, force is occur or not? Yes or no? Okay, and next is given there what? Okay, is the efforts involved an interaction between two objects? Yes or no? Okay, between two objects interaction means force is applied or not? You have to fill in this. Okay, all these columns. Understand? So this is your homework. You have to understand, fill. Okay, no problem. You have to read all this. Okay, description of situation, and you have to easily. Okay, you can easily fill this. Okay. So in this way, okay, we can say that what interaction between the two objects or particle. Understand? Yeah, push or pull of an object or particle. Then it is known as what? Okay, that means force is exerted. Understand? No problem. Now force is given there here, especially okay force. So do you know about now? Okay, thus we have to discuss in previous moment. What we can say that a force is a push or pull upon an object. You know about now? What? A force is a push or pull upon upon an object resulting from its interaction with another object. One object interacts with the another. Understand? Then after kya? Force is exerted. Just like you see here. See this figure. A block pulling a cart. You know about this is a cart. Okay. And what happens? A block. Okay. Pulling a cart. A block what? है ना? Pull कर रही है, खींच रही है ना? Then what happens? Force is क्या? Force is exerted on the cart. Cart पे क्या कर रही है? Force exert हो रहा है. Then it's क्या? Pulling. Pull कर रही है by the block. Understand? So this is also interaction is occurs. Also we can say that. Understand? Yeah. Also we can say a striking between two objects. Push or pull. So whenever there is an interaction between two objects, तो जहाँ भी interaction होगी between two objects, so some forces act between them. Okay, when the interaction what exceeds, the force between them no longer exists. You know about now? The force is also what between two them no longer. Okay, और जब दो interaction होगी, okay, तो वो longer exist नहीं होती है. Okay. So this all happen due to the force. You know about now? Okay. Next, force exists only as a result of interaction between objects. Force. When force is exerted? When will force is exerted? Exert. So force exists only as a result of interaction. When interaction between two objects or particle, then force will be what? Exist. Force exists. Understand? Just like you know about. Do you know कि force does not always involve effort by living beings? ये living beings के द्वारा क्यों नहीं होती है efforts like humans or animal? Force can also due to many natural causes. You know about natural causes? Natural phenomenon? You know about natural phenomenon? Natural phenomenon means what? Just like a tsunami, okay, or what? Earthquake. Understand? So this like what? This is a natural phenomenon. So earthquake, why earthquakes occur? Tsunami, earthquake. Okay, so due to the force, okay, under the earth crust, what force is applied? A huge amount of force is applied under the earth crust, okay, on the surface, on the earth surface. Then what happen? Earthquake is occur. So we can't always see these forces, but can still feel or observe the effect may have on objects. You know about now? Also we have to see, yeah, we can feel only. Understand? We can feel only or we can observe only. Okay, this is natural phenomenon. So this is why this happen. So this is happen due to the force interaction between two objects or particle. Okay, also we can say push or pull. So this phenomenon is also exist by the force. Okay, no problem. Understand? Now we will discuss about, okay, what is the effect of force. Understand? What is the effect of force? See here na, what is the effect of force? Understand? You have to see here. तो you know about ना कि force, effect of force. Okay, तो force can change many things or objects. Means it occurs many types of, okay, phenomenon or situation, okay, occurs due to force. Just like first, change in the state of motion. Okay, what is the force? Force can, okay, occur what? Understand? You know about ना कि force what is the force? The force that क्या change in the state of motion, that change in the state of motion. If any object or particle in a straight line या any direction in motion, then what happen? Okay, just like you know about ना कि a change in the either the speed of an object or its direction of motion or both in described. Okay, and in its state of motion, so we have to what? We can what? Stop that object or particle. Okay, yeah, if you है ना, we can change their direction. You know about ना कि just see here, if any object or particle, just like here is ball. Okay, ball is moving in that direction on the table. Okay, if we press the ball by the hand, okay, hand palm, then what happen? It's है ना, ball is क्या moving in the direction of a straight line. Okay, yeah, any direction. If we applied a force in that direction, okay, from that direction, then what happens? Its ball is moving that direction, okay, on that direction. So in this way also we can say that what? By the force, when we force is exerted, applied on an object or particle, then it changes its direction. Okay, understand? Just like you see here. In this case, when we force is applied, then what happens? This object or particle moving in that direction, and after moving in that places, then also it's okay changing their direction, left to right, right to left. Understand? Yeah, any direction we can change. Okay, we can change their direction of any object or particle. Okay, by the force. Understand? Just like you see here, you have to given the activity. No problem. Just like you see here, activity 1. You take a rubber ball piece and on a smooth of level surface. You know about now surface. Gently push the ball. You have to push the ball. It will start to move. तो push करेंगे क्या होगा? It will start. Now push it harder. जब harder हम push करते हैं, तो what you observe? तो is there any change its speed? Does it increase or decrease? If you supposedly slowly touch the ball, then it's क्या? It speed slowly. If you hardly touch the ball, that hardly touch means what? कि we have to hardly apply the force. A large amount of force is applied. Then what happen? It's what? Its changes what? Its motion is larger. Okay, greater force applied, then its motion is what? Greater. That means also we can say that change is what? Increases their speed. Understand? Okay. In second case, see here, roll on the ball on the table top and push against the motion of the ball. Okay, push against. Suppose that this ball is moving that direction. After we have to exerted a force. So what do you observe in this case? The speed of the ball decreases and it can come to rest. You know about na? If ball moving in that direction and you have to apply a force, exert a force in against that direction of force. Okay, against the direction. Direction के against में क्या किया? मैंने एक force applied किया, है ना? Then what happens? So the ball will what? Stop ना? तो it can come to rest. कहाँ पे आ जाएगी ये? It will come in rest. Okay ना? If we force applied against against the direction of an object or particle. Okay, so this will so